Today, the 15-week abortion ban in Arizona has officially been blocked and deemed unconstitutional. The decision by the Maricopa County Superior Court was announced this morning. You remember last year, lawmakers voted to repeal an 1864 law that banned nearly all abortions in Arizona, which paved the way for voters to approve Prop 139 in November. It allows abortions up until the point of fetal viability, or at 22 weeks through 24 weeks. Abortion advocates spoke about the move today at the Capitol.
Well, we all know that our privacy, our civil rights, and our futures are at risk, especially now under this second Trump administration. Despite the victories Arizonans secured to protect reproductive freedom for all last year, Republicans nationally and right here in this state legislature, remain hell-bent on dictating every aspect of your life.
Had the ban gone into effect, Attorney General Chris Mays said she would not have enforced it.